Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Disney Solitaire daily bonus not appearing so you can collect your rewards. Daily bonuses require an active internet connection, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Disney Solitaire, swipe it away completely, then reopen it. Next, ensure your device has the correct date and time. Go to settings, then go to general, and then swipe down to go to date and time and make sure the date and time are set to automatically. Incorrect settings can prevent daily rewards from appearing. So, next, head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for Disney Solitaire, and install the latest version of the Disney Solitaire. If the bonus still does not appear, uninstall and reinstall the Disney Solitaire. That's how to fix the Disney Solitaire daily bonus not appearing. Subscribe for more quick fixes.